Hi YouTubers. Welcome to Eat Lee. My name is Catherine. So today I will help you guys to explore why do people sneeze? Achoo! Why do people sneeze? I will help you. You know why people sneeze? Sometimes if example like a feather was tickling my nose and my achoo. Or there's a second. If you're sick, you cough and you sneeze. The most important thing is that when you sneeze and cough, you have to always do this. Then you get someone sick and the environment will hurt. So you always do this. And when people sneeze, they feel like my nose tickles and something, and might get maybe it's allergic, sick, just a sneeze. Sneeze is just normal if you normal, but some people has allergic. Example, I'm allergic to flowers. I am actually. Only at October, September, and November and December. I get When you sneeze, of course, some boogie come out. Boogie. It's just your nose things that when you achoo, and make your nose have boogie. And the most important thing that you always example this is kind. So if someone pretend I have a person over there and the person says bless you, and you have to say back thank you, but because bless you means are you okay or something? Yeah, it's kind. So I'm not sure what it means, but you can tell your parents what it means, search it up. There's so many ways. And if a children knows, you can tell them why. And that's why we sneeze. Some people, my friend, he's sick. He never sneezes in his whole entire life. When someone tickles him, he doesn't sneeze. Anything he doesn't sneeze, except I don't know, but it's terrible to some people if you blush, some people laugh at you. When I was in prep or grade 1, when I and the boys literally ha. So I never talked to them. So remember, kids, always do this. Because that's why we have so many COVIDs in Melbourne, in Australia, or in other countries. So remember, kids, do. Bye. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And comments. And remember to be healthy and keep safe. Bye. See you next time on EE Lee Catherine. Bye.